Hi guys, Black Eyed here. What I have in my hand is a packet router made by D-Link, So the model number of this is DWR 930M 4G LTE mobile router. So up in front, you'll see here some specs, So Wi-Fi hotspot up to 10 hours of usage. Multi-user sharing up to 8 devices, and it supports nano SIM card. Okay, then on the side, free easy steps on how to install and configure. So actually yung packet router ni D-Link, plug and play lang yan. If you put any PH Telco SIM, it will automatically configure and connect to the mobile network, and you're good to go. So very simple. At the very back, wireless N for its Wi-Fi connectivity. Then 3000 milliamps of battery. Wow, so 3000 milliamps na pala to. Then of course 4G LTE. Very compact in design and maliit nga siya, Then it supports Type-C. Type-C na pala siya. Okay, for easy charging. Okay, so pretty much that's it. And we'll try to open this thing up. Okay, so let's unbox this. Okay, so here is the actual device itself. Okay, it's pretty compact na, para lang siyang size ng credit card. Okay, so yan siya. Then the battery is here. This is the 3000 milliamps of battery. Okay, D-Link branded, and may brand din siya. Okay. Then what else? And of course, it comes with a charging cable, and it's already supports Type-C kasi Type-C na yung charging port nitong ating device. And what else? And of course, the quick installation guide. Yan, so it has LED lights, to tell you the battery, the Wi-Fi signal, and this is WPS, and this is for the mobile signal that you have, so pag i-open natin, this is at the back part. Okay, and there is the Type-C, then going to open this thing up. Okay, at the back there's a notch there na pwede natin siyang i-pop open, here. So pinop open ko na siya kanina. Ayan. Then here is the back plate. Okay, and this is where you put in the battery, and this is where you put in the SIM card. Okay, so if you're looking for a cost-effective, affordable packet router that works on any Philippine telco SIM cards, this is the perfect model for you. So once again, this is Black Eyed, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.